so let's pretend we wanted to verify the Pythagorean identity for 45 degrees. So first things first, what's the Pythagorean identity say? Okay, sine squared plus cosine squared is 1 for angle theta. Now, what do you suppose they want the angle theta to be?
45 degrees.
Probably 45 degrees. So when I see theta, I'm thinking 45 degrees. So I should plug those in, right? And I'm verifying, so I'm not sure that this is 1. You see that? Okay, so I should have sine squared of 45 degrees plus cosine squared of 45 degrees. And I want to fiddle with this quantity, right? Okay, so what's sine of 45 degrees?
1 over root 2.
Good. Go lay your hands on the 45, 45, 90 triangle. And this one is 1 square root of 2, yes? How do we get the square root of 2 in this picture? Yeah, we use the Pythagorean theorem, right? Which means that this should be a foregone conclusion, right? So I just have to make sure I know how to plug things in. So which 45 do you want to look at?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter at all. I'm going to pick the bottom left one, right?
Yeah.
Because for some reason that one feels like the angle I'm dealing with, but it doesn't actually matter. So if I want the sine of 45 degrees, that's the opposite over the over the hypotenuse. So I got 1 over the square root of 2. And what should I be doing with this thing? Squaring it. So this business in here is sine of 45 degrees, and then I'm squaring it. And to what should I be adding this? Same thing. 1 over the square root of 2, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, squared. Okay, and then I imagined this was the confusion. So when I square a fraction, how do I do that? Square the top and square the bottom. So I got 1 squared over the square root of 2 squared plus 1 squared over the square root of 2 squared. So I get 1 half plus 1 half. How do you get that 2 on the bottom?
Cancel out.
Yeah, didn't you need a plus or minus or something? Why not?
It's the same thing.
Good, because negative wouldn't make sense on the triangle, right? You guys see that? I know that's a length, so it's positive. You guys see that? Okay. So equals 1. What do I write for this?
Verify.
Put a big check mark. Okay, I like that. Big check mark. Done. Cool? Questions, thanks? Did I get your
Good,
question
yes.
in there somewhere? Okay.